Hundreds of students from the Northeast on October 29 participated in a peaceful protest at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi, urging the central and state governments to urgently restore peace in Manipur. They also sought the resettlement of internally displaced victims to their respective homes, highlighting that the 18-month-long crisis has severely impacted the students and youth of the state. Student and youth groups, Manipur Innovative Youth Organization, Mayond, and the United Kaching Students, UNICAS, both based in Delhi, organized a peaceful protest titled Save Manipur, No Compromise on Manipur's Territorial Integrity. Speaking at the protest, Abhijit Chavra, historian and geopolitical analyst, said Manipur's peace and harmony are of paramount importance and must be prioritized. The indigenous people must maintain unity by setting aside differences introduced as a result of the British occupation. Elements that seek to create anti-national sentiments must not be allowed to succeed. The Indian national interest and the interest of Manipur's indigenous people are one and the same. Furthermore, Kol Kishore Chand, retired, said government agencies have been working relentlessly to solve the burning issues and mitigate the hardship faced by the IDPs and victims of violence. We are confident that perpetrators of these heinous crimes will be brought to book and justice will be delivered to the wronged. Other speakers at the event included Kol Shanti Kumar Sapam, retired, social activist Elizabeth K.H. and Rajashri Kumari and Dr. M. Ojit Kumar Singh, assistant professor at Delhi University. The organizations reiterated their stance, which states that any form of division, whether territorial or ideological, only serves to weaken the fabric of society.